There we go.
What's up, guys? Back today, working on the old Impala. We're gonna get the brakes fixed and just see if we can get this thing back on the road. So stick around and I'll show you what's going on. We got her up on the lift. We're gonna bring that nose down a lot. I'm gonna get these rear wheel cylinders fixed so that way we got brakes. A little rusty, a little crusty, but hey, it's gonna be fun. Like I showed you in the last video, we got a little bit of issues, but we can take care of it. So stick around and I'll catch you guys up once I get these tires and wheels off. So I got the wheels off. This wheel cylinder, that's exactly how it was. I'm gonna get a new set of brake shoes ordered, but they're a special order for this old car for some reason where I'm located, so we'll get those put on in the next video probably, but right now let's just make it stop because not having brakes is no fun. So I already got the line disconnected and everything like that. These drums, I was in such a hurry I never even popped them off. I should have put new wheel cylinders in it, but it is what it is. So I had to use that, and I smacked it right here all the way around, and it popped it loose, and they came right off. So we're gonna go ahead and throw a couple new wheel cylinders in it, see if we can get them to bleed up, and just go from there. Got the new wheel cylinder on. Drum cleaned up pretty good. A little bit of residue, nothing serious. Let's see. Might have to adjust them a tiny bit because I want a little bit more drag than that. But we're coming along. So unfortunately with the wheels that I'm running on it, they came off of a 68 Impala wagon, but I have to run these spacers. One thing I will tell you, check the spacers, pull the wheels off and retorque the spacers. I hadn't done that yet. I drove this car 200 miles and 4 out of the 5 lug nuts on that spacer were loose. Very, very important. Don't want to lose a wheel driving down the road. Wish I didn't have to run them at all. Guy told me he didn't run spacers, but if I don't run the spacer, it rubs the frame, the inner wheel well, everything. I don't like that. So I had to put a small spacer on it, unfortunately. So this side here, it's actually not leaking, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to replace it. That way, we're 100% covered. It's not leaking yet. It will be leaking, I can promise you that, but it's not. So let's go ahead and get this side done. Then we'll get the brakes bled. And we'll go for a quick drive, maybe do a burnout. Guys, I got her back down on the ground on all fours. Still got to bleed them. I'm waiting on my help to get here, but went ahead and dropped it down so I could drop the front end. I heated the coils up for right now. When I put the new frame under it, it's going to get tubular control arms, all new springs, bigger sway bars. I want this baby to handle like it's on rails. Kind of like the old rattiness of it, but eventually it will get rust repair done. Get all that fixed. But for right now, it's drivable.